Yo, what's good, people? Yo, I'm so amped about this. This just arrived right now from my homies from Warsaw Sneaker Store all the way in Poland, and I'm just overwhelmed. It's a crate. It's a crate that's branded with Warsaw Sneaker Store on it, burnt into it. I'm just like, seriously, incredible. Now, the first thing that hits me about this is that the smell. The smell is of coffee. So, I think you might know what's inside. But before we get into what's inside, I want to explain that if you hit up warsawsneakerstore.com or their Instagram, you'll know about the details of how to cop one of this year's most eagerly anticipated releases, the Nike Air Jordan 1 Mochas. They're dropping this weekend on the 19th, and Warsaw Sneaker Store are presenting an opportunity for every person who wants to try to cop these bad boys. By entering their raffle, they're going to get this same package. So, yeah, it's not just all about me, it's about you peeps right there, which I think is absolutely brilliant. Now, for me, Warsaw Sneaker Store have been doing fantastic things. The way they integrate, with due reverence with sneaker culture over the years has been absolutely phenomenal. So, yeah, got to shout out the whole crew there because I'm just like, whoa, so overwhelmed. Right, let's check out what's inside. Now, for the uninitiated, the Michael Jordan Air Jordan 1 debuted all the way back in '84 on the court on his feet. But the public weren't allowed to buy them, or they weren't even available to buy until 1985. So it's been 35 years of this bad boy being seen on the streets. One of the best skate shoes of all time. You see Natus Kalpas, you see so many skaters from that era of the 80s. They used to skate in Jordan 1s as well as their regular skate shoes. So what's inside? Well, Warsaw Sneaker Store have just done everything to the maximum. They've set up coffee aficionados with their homies from Java Coffee in Warsaw. Thank you so much for the personalized touch right there. Okay, now for the uninitiated, the term mocha or mochaccino is a popular type of coffee that is, everyone loves it, but it's named after the city of Mocha in Yemen. Hence, this little bad boy is included in tribute to the people of Yemen. It's a head wrap, it's a bandana, it's a mask, it's whatever you want to, use it, employ it as. And it's all done in the Hessian sack print, but also features the release date of the Jordans as well. What a wicked touch. Now, if that wasn't enough, you get this reusable coffee cup. So the sustainability is given due consideration as well. No more wastage of paper cups. Just fill this bad boy up, right? And then, the aroma of this coffee right here, absolutely intense, pungent, aromatic levels to the maximum. I wonder how they taste. If this tastes as good as it smells, it's a winner. And I think, given how much due consideration they've given to this already, I'm sure the blend of beans is going to be so on point. Okay, now to the shoes. If the crate wasn't enough, they put the shoe box in this bad boy, personalized Hessian sack, which is obviously one of the things that you'd find coffee beans stored in. Look at that. That's so sick. Every little detail has been duly considered. But yes, now to the shoes, which are presented by Nike in the original style packaging that went back all the way to 1985. Whew. The shoes. Now for me, the amount of Jordan 1s that have come out this year, bam, 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 it's been a barrage. But hey, we've been denied for so long, it's a good thing. Now where do these bad boys sit in with that? Woo-wee, yo, look at that. The shape, still one of the most elegant, wicked, beautiful items of footwear you can wear, you can rock. The color scheme though, so inspired. I mean, you got the leather, the smooth leather here, you got the grain leather here, and you got the nubuck on the collar and the heel. But you got to get up close with these to check out the quality. So amazing. Absolutely exquisite. I mean, I'm just always overwhelmed when I see a pair of these in a brand new color. And these ones here, they have to sit up with the best of them. Swear down. Of course, the original Chicagos and Breads, the Shadows, the Royals, You know, but then we have Shattered Backboards, Shattered Backboards 2s, the Balvins this year. I mean, yo, there've been so many incredible executions. But these, I have to say, are one of the best ever. I mean, they're just so clean. Absolutely wicked. I mean, the rookies, nah, I want these right now, you know? Anyway, as I said, you can win these. Check out warsawsneakerstore.com, and also Schmielna on Instagram, or put in Warsaw Sneaker Store in Instagram and you'll see the details. You know, click the links, enter the raffle, and I hope you guys cop. So, shout outs to my family from Warsaw Sneaker Store for looking out once again. You know, it's a pleasure working with you guys. And you people out there, good luck. I hope you cop, because these are hot body, yo. Absolutely wicked. Yo, anyway, peace and love. Stay blessed, stay healthy.